Hi on there folks, Will here with the XAUUSD.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So if you've been following this week's videos on YouTube or via email, one of the trades I was looking at this week using the MacBot was the USDJPY, and yesterday we finally got the entry into that position. Okay, so you can see, right, anyone who understands EA trading, these wee ticks here are the ticks when a robot enters the trade. You can see we've entered the market here on the signal divergence. Now, this is a longer term trade. The divergence signal, this is what I expected to happen this week. Monday would have a bit of a sell-off and then pop up, and this is where we'd want to be getting into the market here if we're using the manual strategy. So the MacBot entered the trade for us here. We're in the position and it's going nicely already. Dropped pretty hard from it, and it was the close of this candle we got the signal. It's been dropping pretty hard from it. Likely for the first bounce, first test of this area caused the last high, so price already tested it. Didn't create much bullish action, coming back down, so expect this to start moving southwards over the next few weeks. That's it, guys. So you can see the MacBot works. One of the trades we're looking at this week, USDJPY, first long-term trade of the week. MacBot enters it. So that's it. To access the MacBot, simply click the link below. If you have any questions, get in contact with me at Will at XAUUSD.com, and happily help you with your trading needs. You can see very powerful system, strategy, and yeah, guys. So get in, click the link below. Any questions, let me know, and speak to you soon.